Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the podcast where you can learn English naturally through everyday conversations. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Callum. In today's episode, we're talking about something that affects everyone at some point: jobs and careers.
That's right. We'll discuss different types of jobs, what people do at work, and useful English phrases to describe your career or dream job.
So, whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, pay attention to our vocabulary, grammar, and expressions, and try repeating after us. Let's get started.
Callum, what do you do for a living?
I'm a software developer. I work for a tech company, writing code and solving problems.
That's cool. And I'm an English teacher. I teach students online and in person, helping them improve their speaking and writing.
Listeners, notice how we say, I am a, I work for, I do. You can use these phrases to introduce your own job.
Let's talk about some popular jobs. Callum, can you name a few?
Sure, there are jobs in healthcare like doctors and nurses, in education like teachers and professors, in technology like developers and designers, and in business like managers and accountants.
And don't forget creative jobs, like artists, writers, or actors. Listeners, repeat after us: doctor, teacher, engineer, nurse, manager, artist, writer, chef.
Great! You can also describe your job by talking about what you do every day.
Callum, what do you usually do at work?
I start my day checking emails, then I write code, attend meetings, and help solve technical problems.
And as a teacher, I plan lessons, teach classes, correct homework, and answer students' questions.
Useful phrases for our listeners. I am responsible for. My main tasks are. I handle. For example, I am responsible for customer service, or I handle marketing tasks.
Callum, do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time, usually from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
I work part-time in the evenings. Sometimes I teach 2 classes a day. Useful phrases: full-time, part-time, shifts, flexible hours, work overtime.
Yes, and learners can ask, do you work full-time or part-time, to practice conversation.
Callum, what was your dream job as a child?
I wanted to be an astronaut. And you?
I wanted to be a writer, and it's still my dream to write a book one day.
Listeners, here's a great structure for talking about dreams. When I was a child, I wanted to be. My dream job is. I would love to.
Let's talk about interviews. What's the first thing you should do?
Prepare. Research the company and practice common questions.
And dress professionally. In English, you might hear, "Tell me about yourself," or "What are your strengths and weaknesses?"
Listeners, practice answering these questions. What do you do? Why did you choose this job? What are your skills?
Callum, let's teach some important workplace words.
Sure. Some common ones are colleague, boss, manager, team, project, deadline, promotion, salary, benefits.
And here's a tip: use them in sentences. My colleague is very helpful. I have a big project this week. I'm waiting for a promotion.
Rachel, do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I enjoy teaching and seeing my students improve.
I like my job too, but sometimes it's stressful. Useful phrases. I enjoy my job. I find it challenging. It can be stressful.
How do you usually finish your workday?
I usually review my tasks, plan for tomorrow, and switch off my computer.
I correct homework, prepare for the next lessons, and relax in the evening.
Listeners, you can describe your workday in English using I start my day with. I finish my day by.
And that's our episode about jobs. We hope you learned some useful vocabulary and phrases to talk about your career, dream job, and work experiences.
Don't forget to practice speaking about your job using the expressions we discussed today.
Leave a comment below and tell us what your job is, or what your dream job would be.
Thanks for listening to English with AC. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episode.